Hello everyone, myself Shubham, one of the director of Polestar Furniture Private Limited. We are standing right opposite to Sugna Hospital in Rajajinagar. Yep. So this is our direct company factory store. We are the manufacturers of office furniture, commercial furniture, institute furnitures. Let's walk inside. So Polestar is a manufacturer. At the same time, it is catering directly to co-workers, OEMs, commercial furniture, B2Bs, retails, and institutes. Anybody who has a requirement of commercial furniture or any requirement related to the office furniture, we are the people who are serving them. Let's talk on the numbers. We are manufacturing 5,000 chairs per month and having almost 2 lakh square feet of manufacturing unit spread across Pinia, Dabaspet, Sompura and Nilmangla. I'll show you what exactly is their specialty, how they are different from the market and what exactly we have as our USP. Now being a direct manufacturers, we get multiple benefits. One is the cost, second is the MOQs. You buy one, you buy 100 or you buy thousands, we will cater you. We are serving to a small shop person. At the same time, we are giving it to the co-working spaces who gives us order of 2,000 to 5,000 single chair order. So that's how we are covering the market. We are not doing this from today. We are doing it from past 50 years. We have taken a milestone of getting a single order of 10,000 chairs, a single PO. We received from a client of 10,000 chairs, which we could execute within no time. With in-house facility for metal, wood, cushion, A to Z, we are doing it in-house. Currently, we are offering for the office, institutes, lounges, auditoriums, and co-working spaces. So any to everything which you see in our office furniture or in an institute furniture, we are here to help you with. Let me take you around starting from the co-working or the office chairs. So this is one of the most fast selling product in the market. We call it as Jazz. So you can see around, this has height adjustments, it has lumbar support which you can do up and down, and then you have nylon wheels. Now the best part about all this is we are using all standard and certified products. Now when I say standard and certified products, not everybody in the market is having certifications for the products which they use. When I talk about this product, currently in market only 2 to 3 people have the certifications and we are one of them. Now what are the certifications? We call it as BIFMA. BIFMA is one of the certificate which is used across world. For example, this particular gas lift, when it goes up and down, so it should have minimum 1,000,000 cycle. So when you do it up and down, 1,000,000 times it should happen. So that kind of certifications are done for all the parts which you see in this particular chair. And we are only one of few of them who has this particular certificate. So first category is the computer chairs. Now you can see there are multiple chairs lined up over here. Now each chair has its own significance. When we talk about this chair, you have a different lumbar support, a curve is there to give you a much better lumbar support. When coming to the next chair, you have a different back over here. You have bit of chromium done over here and giving you next level of comfort in this particular chair. When it comes to this chair, you have more shoulder supports. When you see over here and when you compare with the other model, this has much better shoulder support over here. So each chair significantly have a different kind of lumbar support or shoulder support or any other aspects. So each varies from one to another. Particularly one more model when we talk about, this is also one of the hot cake running in the market right now. So this gives you another different kind of lumbar support, have a wider lumbar support, gives it to the even to the backbone. When you compare even for one or you compare for the 1,000, we will stand out at any point of time, even in the quality, in the commitments, even in the pricing. Now when we talk about this particular chair, this costs somewhere around 7 to 8,000 rupees. Whereas we have the whole range. So when we start from that side, this particular chair will cost you around 7, this will cost you around 6.5 or 7. So it's all ranges about between 7 to 10,000 rupees. We have one more range which is on the other end, which I'll show you. So in that you have much better price point. At the same time, you have more economical options. When we talk about this chair, we are having somewhere around for 4,000 rupees. And let me tell you very clearly, when we talk the pricing, the quality is not been compromised. The quality of this chair or the chair which is 10,000 or a chair which is of 25,000 all have standard quality and all have standard warranties and guarantees. So you need not worry on that particular point. So these are the models which comes under economical range, starting somewhere around 3,500 and goes up to you can see around 4,000 to 5,000 rupees. Now let me take you towards to the manager level and director level of chairs. When we talk about that, so typically these chairs usually have little bit higher backrest. They have a headrest which is slightly adjustable or non-adjustable, looking into the economicality of the how economical or how expensive you want to go for. But one point to be very clear, all are very comfortable and all are having a next level of service and quality. Now when we talk about this particular chair, this is called a spine. Now this chair has multiple adjustments like headrest, then you have lumbar support adjustments over here, you have handle adjustments, you have synchro tilt mechanism been installed in this. So this is one of a designer chair which runs in the market for the manager or the MD level kind of thing. We have much more models running over here. Again, this ranges between around 5,000 goes up to 15 to 20,000. We have more models coming around this side of the showroom. So when we go for this, we have another a line of chairs and designer pieces which you can come, you can see, you can feel and you can take it to your home. That's how the manager levels chairs are been aligned. We have much more premium products. Now there is a new thing trend is going on is like we are going out of the blacks and going into whites or grays. So we have a range for the same thing. When we look around over here, this is the most economical chair when it comes to the white framing. So usually the all chairs comes with the black, but this particular chairs comes into the white or gray kind of finish when you see. So these are a bit premium ones, but again these are more designer and more aesthetical use. We can play with the colors as we are the direct manufacturers, so you can change the color whenever you want. Even after 2 years, 3 years, you can call us, you can ask us if any color changing or anything is required. It will be done at a nominal charges. Okay, let me show you some few designs which are very exclusive and not available in market. When I say market, not just Bangalore. You go even in India, you will not find it. Let's get into it. Now when we talk about this design, these are for the conferences, for MDs and for the visitors. This comes in two kind of variants. So one is visitor, one is revolving. This comes with the chrome finish with the wooden handles. Nowadays it's very rare to find wooden handles in the market. When I say this, we have to just look around. The exclusivity comes on the back, the base and the mechanism. This is one of the exclusive pieces which we have in our store and we manufacture it ourselves in India. So that's the best part about it. You need to change color for this. We are here for you. You need 1, 200 or 1,000. We will get it done for you. You need to just come in, check, feel the comfort and place the order. So two variants which I was talking about. So one is with the wheels and the second one which comes over here is without wheels. Now the beauty about this is when you see it from the side or whenever somebody is entering in your office, it's give a glittering presence. So being ordering out with the blacks or having a golden kind of thing, a silver is always gives you a much better presence in your office. I missed on something important. Like right now what chairs you are using doesn't have the features which is a very minimum features required for a chair. Let me show you. This particular chair when we talk, you see this has 3D handles. When we call 3D, so it goes front, back, sides and up and down. It has a small button in the bottom hiding so that nobody can see the magic which you are doing for doing up and down. The next thing is it has a multi-lock. Now the chairs which right now everybody is providing is just the one where you can just lock it at one position, which is this. Now when the chairs which we are providing, you get multi-lock. So you can go at this particular position and you can lock it. Now why this particular point is necessary is not every time a person is sitting and working on the computer. When you are working on the computer or any desk, what you do is you also think how to find a solution. At that particular point, you just lean and you lock it. You don't have to keep pushing it. You can just think whatever you want to and again come back, just by opening the lock and come front. Now, there are few people who have fear about falling. Don't worry, the bases which we are using in the bottom are 360 mm width. So you did not worry on that particular part. There's another point, like you don't have to lock it only at that particular point. You can even lock it in middle, just like that. Just pull it out and push it in and you're good. So that's the best feature about all the chairs which we provide. One more thing, to be very clear, whatever requirement you have, whatever budget you have, we are here to give you the solution. Let it be a chair you required for 1,000 rupees or you need it for 1 lakh rupees. We will supply it and give it to you at any point of time. You need 1 chair, 100 chairs, 1,000 chairs. We are here for you. Let me take you to the next range, which is bar stools or counter chairs or cafe chairs, which we call. These are the exclusive collections which we have, which you see over here. Now, we don't deal only in one particular kind of material. We are working with wood, cushion and metal. So when you see this vast range, exclusive range of this, you can find that this particular product is made out of solid wood, whereas this is made out of metal. Now, it's a combination of everything. That particular model, which I'll just pull down, is made out of even acrylic. The back of this chair is made out of acrylic. It gives you a transparent view, so when somebody is sitting and looking from the back, it gives a different kind of aesthetics, a designer and exclusive piece, which you can get only with the Polestar. Things like sustainability and recycling is going on the next level. And looking the same into the picture, we are launching few products which are 100% recyclable. At the same time, they are made out of real stuff. Now let's talk about this particular model, 100% wood, no plastics, nothing. From the top to the bottom, it's just wood. So you need not worry on that particular part. The stability, the seasoning of this wood, the color combinations, everything has been taken care. Now there's one more trend which is going on is of the royal sittings. When we talk about the royal, the color, the combination, the design has to be syncing all together at once. This particular chair is one of the hot cake in our office. So this particular model goes right top to bottom. When we talk about royal, the color itself speaks a lot. The gold with the blue, the ultimate combination which you get in the market. Now this is manufactured by us in-house. The whole chair which you see has been manufactured, and again you need to be having an emerald green to be done on this. Don't worry, we'll do it for you. That will be taken care. Did you know one more fact about Polestar? That cafe is a thing which we always deliver along with the offices. Now when we say that, we have a clientele called ISRO, we have Lee Meridian, we have Kirloskars, we have Cadbury. These are the prime clientele whom we cater every now and then as for their offices, for their cafes or for the auditoriums. Let me take you to the next category, boss chairs. For each category, whether you're sitting in your shop or in your cabins or a conference, we have chair for you for all the ranges. Let me talk on that particular point, the range. So we have budgetable chairs where we can provide you for 6,000 for a boss chair. At the same time, we have a chair which worth more than 1.5 lakh rupees. Yes, 1.5 lakh rupees. Now, let me take you to the chair for the car enthusiast bosses. This particular chair has been designed for the taking consideration of the Lexus as one of the car which we see in the market as premium segment. When you see this particular chair, this has been designed taking care as Lexus brand into the picture. Now the shape and the design of the base, the wheels, everything has been taken into the consideration. The handles, everything, the seat and the back. When you even see the material which has been amalgamated in this particular design is to the next level. You can see that there is a rexine, there is a fabric, there is a PU, there is ABS, there is aluminium, A to Z. They have almost used everything except for the wood. So the any to everything which you see here is been manufactured and taken care in a very detailed mode. Now this particular chair comes with a price tag of 1.2 lakh rupees. Yes, 1.2 lakhs rupees, but it's a designer piece. Taking you to the next range of chairs. So we have multiple colors, we have multiple models. Considering into designs, we have the chairs with the golden finish when you see over here, with multiple features when we talk. It comes with the seat sliders, it comes with handle adjustments. The chair seats are see-through. So when you sit on this, you will never feel that you are perspiring or you are having sweat issue, nothing of that sort. You will always be working very comfortably, because at the end of the day, what important thing is how efficiently you are working in your workplace. And that's why we come into the picture to give you the best chairs available in the market. Now, do you know that around 70% of the business in India are family driven? Yes, correct. So when I sit, there's my father sitting right next to me always, and he's taking care whether I'm working or I'm playing on my mobile. Now these chairs are for our fathers. So when I say for our fathers, because they have done their part of job and now it's the time where they monitor. So this particular chairs comes with the features of reclining. So when they are working or when they are sitting in the office for a longer time, they can actually sleep as well. Just like that. A perfect gift for your father on Father's Day. And I would say, why only Father's Day? When you think that it's a time, gift it to your father. So this chair comes with, particularly with leather and PU. Comes in 2 to 3 colors, well designed and well balanced. The base will never let you fall from it. At the same time, comes with up and down functionality and reclining. The battery is chargeable and this is an electrical operated chair. Now everybody wants to drive their business just like the way they drive their Ferrari or Bugatti. But then to drive your business at that speed, you need a chair which can do that. Now I'm showing you a chair which has the comfort just the way you have it in your cars. We call it as a bucket seat chair. So when you just sit inside that, you get a next level feel. You can drive your business at the same speed the way you are driving your car. Make sure you're driving your car within the limits. The designing, the flow of the particularly cushion, the stitches, the back, the front, even when you see the body line of this particular chair is into the next level. Once you sit on this, the whole body gets submerged in this particular chair and then you get the real feel of this. And once you have that sense of comfort, automatically your efficiency of work will increase. We have a vast range for the office chairs. At the same time, for the director chairs, we have the next level stuff and collection. I have just shown you few of them. We have more catalogs running around and we have more designs lying around in the office. Let me pull one last one for you just to give you a glimpse of one more. Now this particular chair comes in PU. It has an additional padding for headrest, for the lumbar and for the thigh. Now this is one of the economical segment chair which costs somewhere around 15,000 rupees. Correct, 15,000 rupees you are getting a fully padded, comfortable chair delivered to your door. And this all prices includes GST, not to be mentioned, and free delivery within Bangalore. And we are delivering these products across India. It's just not that we do it only in Bangalore. You need it in anywhere, any part of India, we'll deliver it. Let it be near Tumkur or in Belgaum or in Pune or Maharashtra. You name it, we will deliver it there. Need not worry on the deliveries and logistics, we'll take it for you. We have delivered across India. Let's name it. We have delivered in Kanyakumari, but at the same time, we have even supplied to Jammu and Kashmir. We have supplies done in Pune, Maharashtra, Indore, Delhi, Punjab. We have done projects across India. We are full-time project guys, retail guys, and commercial furniture manufacturers. Let's get into the next segment. We call it as a cushioning segment. So what exactly comes under this is lawn chairs, which you see over here. At the same time, we also get something for the sofas. Yes, we also manufacture sofas, but for the commercial utilization only. We don't have those guffy and soft cushion sofas. We have bit hard sofas, which is required for the daily utilization in offices and the commercial spaces. Now let me show you this particular chair. This is for lounges, for the reception area or for the training areas. Now this chair comes with a writing pad which is supported with the aluminium structure in the bottom. At the same time, we have the other economical versions of the same, which you can see over here. Now this is a designer sofa which is curved in a semicircle, and we have multiple more designs which we have manufactured and delivered. This is another lounge cushioning chair which is used in the cafes, bars and even in the meeting rooms. Now we also have few things which is not been manufactured by many manufacturers. Now one of them is the pod sofa. Now this sofa is used usually for the meetings and for the conferences used. Now this sofa is been delivered to multiple clientele in Bangalore as well as in Pune, if I recall, and given to the multiple OEMs. Now this sofa have the versatility. You can change the color, you can change the size, you can change any to everything required in this particular thing. We also have an upgraded version where we can provide you USB chargers and other sockets inbuilt in this particular sofa. We have multiple designs. One more design which I would love to show you is this particular thing. Now this particular sofa is my favorite one because of the design. It follows the lines which is required in any design. Colors of these sofas can be customized. We have capacity to deliver up to 10 to 15 three-seaters within 2 days. That's correct. In 2 days, I can give you 10 numbers of three-seaters in without any hassle. That's the capacity which we have. We are currently manufacturing more than 1,000 sofas per month. Now, taking you to the one more exclusive design which we have over here is this one. Now, this particular seating is just one of the wow factor and been showcased in the front. Now, it doesn't have any wrinkles, being manufactured in our own manufacturing unit, and again the color can be changed. It has a special gold PVD done on the legs which you can see. At the same time, there is a checks stitched on the side and on the bottom. Comes with a pillow, and this can be used in your living room, in your cabins, in lounges or in your balcony as well. So this is about the launches which we carry, and we have multiple more designs which we can curate or design it for you. You have any requirement for office furniture, commercial furniture or auditoriums? Remember, we are right here in Rajajinagar, right opposite to Sugna Hospital in Bangalore, and delivering products across India. We do export as well. If you are watching it in abroad and you need furniture, we are here to help you. You need any requirement for layouting or for getting the BOQs, we are here. Remember, you are just a call away to get your solution done. These are the numbers where you can contact us, and the email ID and the website. Just a call away. Whatever requirement related to the commercial furniture, we are here for you and help you out. Let it be economical, premium or exclusive. We are here to help you. Visit our store, feel the comfort, feel the material, get your chair built and take it to your home or office wherever it is required. We are here in Rajajinagar, just a call away if you are not able to come. Visit our store in Rajajinagar. This is Polestar Direct Factory Outlet. This is Shubham, Director of Polestar, signing out.